Breaking news from the Himalayas. One hiker has died, and hundreds remain stranded on the eastern slopes of Mount Everest after a sudden blizzard struck the region. Trekkers were caught off guard by severe snowfall near the mountain's eastern Kangshung face, where rescue teams say conditions quickly turned deadly. Authorities report that 350 climbers have been rescued so far, but 200 or more are still trapped in camps at high altitude. The deceased climber is believed to have succumbed to hypothermia and altitude sickness, according to state media. Heavy snow, strong winds, and freezing temperatures made rescue operations extremely difficult. Rescuers, local villagers, and officials are working together, using horses, drones, and manpower to clear paths and bring survivors to safety. Communication is limited at high altitudes, and every minute counts as stranded climbers face exposure and exhaustion. This is a developing story. We'll continue to bring you live updates as rescue teams push further up the mountain.